Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the sliding carousel in Figma. It's super easy to make, so let's get into it. So in this tutorial, I'll be making a low fidelity design to make things more simple and easy to understand. So for our first step, I'll click on the frame option and select the iPhone 14 and 15 Pro dimensions. You can select whichever frame works best for you. Next, I'll make a top nav bar just for layout context. And I'll give it a fill of grey. Next, I'll click on the frame option again and I'll create a card. So this will be part of a carousel. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this card outside and I'll give it a color of red. So I'm going to make 3 cards and each card is going to have the color of red, purple and blue. You can add whatever design you want to do. Since I'm making a low fidelity design, I'm just going to show how this whole process works. Next, I'll go to the ellipse tool and I'll create 2 small circles. I'll give it the dimensions of 30 and 30. And I'll make this into a frame by clicking frame selection. So I'm going to place this here, just making sure that it's at the center of the page and the other one over here. So what this is going to do is if I click over here, it's going to go to my next card at the right hand side, and if I click here, it's going to go to the previous card. So yeah, this is our first card. Now I'm going to click on the Alt button and create 2 copies of the same card. Now I'll just change the color of these cards. This one to purple and this one to blue. The blue one is right here. Okay. So these are the 3 cards. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just align them all together just like that. And I'll select all these 3 frames and create one big frame. So I'm going to right click and click on frame selection. So this is our main big frame. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on clip content and I'll bring the main frame to our card's dimension, just like that. So what I'm going to do is next I'm going to create a copy of this frame and I'll bring the second card over here. So for that, what I'm going to do is instead of selecting all the whole main frame, I'm going to click on the individual frames just like this and I'll align the second card in the center just like that. Yeah, I'm going to do the same thing for the blue card. Instead of clicking the main frame, I'm going to select all the frames individually and I'll just align the blue card to the center. Yep, just like that. Now for our next step, I'm going to select all these cards, all these frames, go to components and click on create component set. Yep. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to prototype and I'm going to now prototype all these circle buttons. So if I click over here, it's going to go to this card. If I click on this button, it's going to go to this card. So just so that it acts like a carousel. So I'm going to go to prototype. Now if I click on this circle, I'm going to make sure that this circle leads me to my purple card. I'm going to set the trigger to on tap, my animation to smart animate, and the curve to ease out, and the duration to 300 milliseconds. The same thing, I'm going to now go to our purple card, click on the a right circle and lead it to a blue card. And I'll set the trigger to on tap. Animation, the animation curve and duration will be the same, which is smart animate, ease out, and 300 milliseconds. Next, I'm going to click on our left circle. So this is going to go to our previous card, which is our purple card. So I'm going to lead it to our purple card. This is our interaction, our trigger to on tap, animation to smart animate, and curve and duration is the same. So I'm just going to do the same thing over here. And now in our red card, our left circle is going to lead to our blue card. Since this is the last card, so I'm going to click. So if I click on the left button, it's going to show me the last card. And the interaction settings are going to be the same. So yeah, I missed on one. This one is going to lead to our red card, since this is our first card. Yep, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to take a copy of the first card and place it here. So this will be a carousel. Now I'll just run this to test it out. Yep. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to click on this circle. And as you can see, it behaves like a carousel, a sliding carousel. So it slides to the right, and if I click on the left button, it slides towards the left. Hope you guys understood this video and found it super easy to make. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.